It's your girl Cecelia here, Double Dutch Enterprise Inc. I'm here in Landover at my latest project that has been more than a notion. I wanted to come out today because I have this class. It's a rehab class that I do probably every quarter, and I try to get the students to understand that flip this house, HGTV, all of that stuff, it's okay to watch, but it ain't the real deal. So when you come through these neighborhoods and you find a house or somebody refers you to a client and you can buy the house as an investment property and you want to do a rehab on it, I need you to make sure you know what you're getting into. And if you don't have anybody to help you, call me, Cecelia, 301-520-3598. So I think I'm going to take you inside first, because those of you that kind of see me on Facebook or posting different pieces of properties as I'm doing the rehab, you might have saw this one, and it was a hot mess. I mean, really bad mold, all kinds of issues going on inside. So when I came through, we changed the roof. I purchased 24 windows. We did all new HVAC. As a matter of fact, we moved the HVAC system where it was to a different location. We changed all the plumbing. We did a heavy up on the side over here, changed all the sockets, all the wall outlets, all the switches. It's just a whole totally different house, a complete renovation, and I'm excited about it. You know, I think for me, my brand is everything, and I want to deliver a good product to the consumer that's going to buy. So when they come here with their home inspected, they don't have to be calling me, telling me you didn't do a heavy up, the panel box is 100 amp, oh, the plumbing is bad, it's galvanized pipe. It ain't going to be none of that with me. I'm going to make sure that when I leave here, they only calling me to say, when we're going to settlement. Ain't got to be no issues. So I'm going to take you inside, let you see what we do at Double Dutch Enterprise. So come on in. I'm going to put on my Uggs because I don't want to walk on the floor. And matter of fact, guys, I turned this in from a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath to a 5-bedroom, 2 full baths, 1 half bath, finished basement, open concept. It's nice. Let's go. 6126 is the address. Okay, so here is your living room. You have a security system in here first and foremost. All new light fixtures. As I said, a 5-bedroom, 2.5 bath. We have a nice sized bedroom on the first level here. In the event that you have a mother or a dad that doesn't climb steps, they can get here, have a bedroom over here with a powder room so that they can just get real quickly to the bathroom and to the kitchen and to the open area so they can entertain with the family. So living room, dining room, recessed lights, marble countertop. I like white, I like clean, I like gray, and I like white baseboards. I love the floor too. You got some pendant lights here, stainless steel appliances, double door. I like this nice, right? I like it, guys. I'm so excited about this. But it was hell getting to this point. So don't play with the deal because it's serious. And don't forget, go get your permits. Don't mess around. Go get your permits. Where is it? Where is it at right here? Go to the county or get an architect. Go get your permits, because all the buyers and their agents are going to ask, and you don't want to be caught without them. Gas stove. I like gas. Most people like gas. Microwave. Dishwasher. It's a nice faucet in it. It's a nice faucet right here. Oh, and I need the upgraded knobs too. Gotcha. And you can get outside here, guys. You can come outside through the kitchen. Okay? So that's a nice feature too. And you can come in on the side as well. Lock the door back. Okay, I'm gonna speed it up. So over here, you have the bedroom that I was talking about for your mother or your father or whoever you want to put here in the event that they don't really do stairs, because the older we get, the less stairs we want to climb. Get me? Got a nice stand here for you too. Like I said, all new windows, doors, all new on the first floor. Oh, and I really like this right here. This little faucet, guys, it's real slick. It lights up. It gives you color at night, like it's a rainbow. That's new. Okay, I think I'm gonna take you downstairs first, because I have 2 full bedrooms down here, and I have a full bath. It's a nice little space. Like I said, all new windows, and have my motion detector here. Have a sump pump here inside the closet as well. Okay. All right, and so I have my bigger bedroom of the 2 over here. This is a nice size bedroom that you can put Junior down here. They don't really want to be bothered with us anyway. After 14, they go, I don't want to be bothered with y'all. I'm gonna go downstairs. Okay, anyway, we'll have Junior down here. And then we have our mechanical room. As I said, I mean, guys, everything in this place is new. Everything. New hot water tank, new HVAC system, washer dryer hookup right here. So if you have any buys, have them call me. 301-520-3598. Compressor out back. As you can see, all new. Okay, here is my full bathroom here. Same faucet. I did gray down here. Kind of like the gray and white. I think that's like the thing now. It's been the thing for a while. The tub, as you can see. Sorry. And then this is the second bedroom down here. This is the smaller bedroom of the 2, but it's still a good size for someone that wants to be away and down in the basement. Okay, got your closet, of course. So I have new sliding 6-panel doors for you. Okay, I'm gonna go upstairs now and look at the bedrooms upstairs, which they're nice sizes as well. This carpet is called Silver Fox. And here is the first of 2 of the 5 bedrooms up here. Closet. It's a nice little space. Have a full bath over here. Nice space. 36-inch cabinet, new toilet tub. Nice tile. I think it's good. And this is my 5th and final room. I'm not really sure which one you would use as a master. Just close your eyes and pick one. And it's back into trees. It's not a big backyard, but it's enough to have a picnic, little picnic, family gathering. Put a pool back there for the kids in the summertime with some shade. So, you know, I think that's pretty much it. If you're interested in coming to my next rehab class, I'd like for you to call me personally so I can share, you know, my story on this house with you before and after. I'm at 301-520-3598. God bless you guys. Thanks for tuning in and make it a great day on purpose. Bye-bye.